So today I'm here with Western, and we're going to talk a little bit about the different electrical systems throughout the years. So this is the newest plow, obviously, so this would be what's in production currently. So this, you're going to have Fleet Flex plugs, right? This is the newest version, so this one happens to have LED headlights on it. So you're going to have your larger connector for that. And then you're going to have your battery cable, which is, of course, your power and ground. And the two little ones are your communication. These are all interchangeable, so no matter what plow you'd be running at that point, if it's the newer style Fleet Flex and you had the LED hookups on your truck, you're going to have everything that's necessary to run that plow. If you happen to have a newer truck and you look at it and there's 3 plugs on it, there's a chance that what you have is you have your 2 plugs that are for the Fleet Flex style. However, on some of the Chevy trucks, there's an over voltage harness kit that goes on there. That would be a 3rd plug on here, and that might confuse you. But all that does is actually tell the truck when the plow motor is running. That's all that harness does. So if they look similar to this, where you've got your power, your ground, and the 2 communication wires, that tells you pretty quickly that's Fleet Flex. Now let's go over here and look at this Ultra mount and see what this one has. This particular one is gonna have a 3-plug system. So what does that mean? It's wiring that's gonna control the hydraulic unit. It is not Fleet Flex, so this would not work on a truck that's wired for Fleet Flex. It would have to be wired differently to make this work on that particular truck. It still uses your 3-port isolation module, but it is not Fleet Flex. They would not be interchangeable with each other. So coming over here to the Unimount, the electrical system on this one is going to be a relay system. So you're going to have your power and your ground, and then you have a 12-pin connector here. And on the truck side, it's always been referred to as a relay system, not isolation module. So again, this would not work with that one or that one. It's kind of a standalone when you have those 2 plugs and it's a relay system. And lastly, we go over to the conventional. So as you can see, there's no electrical on this, and a lot of it was on the truck side, and a lot of it was wired directly into the truck. So all you had to do from a wiring perspective, so to say, is just hook up the hydraulic hoses to the hydraulic unit on the truck.